OnePlus 7 launch scheduled for May 14, according to a leak. There are plenty of OnePlus 7 reports detailing aspects of the upcoming phone. We've seen renders showing off the pop-up selfie camera, and a case leak confirmed the approach. According to all the reports, the OnePlus 7 should feature a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 855 chip, up to 12 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage. A triple camera setup will reside on the back with 48 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 16 megapixel shooters, a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera on the front, and a 4000 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging capabilities should power everything. What has been a mystery so far is the OnePlus 7 launch date. According to a recent leak from Ishan Agarwal, who has a good track record of being accurate, the OnePlus 7 launch date is May 14. That's less than a month out, and will be a year after the introduction of the OnePlus 6. The leak also mentions that this is going to be a global launch for the phone, so mark your calendars for May 14, 2019.